Hello all, welcome to the Environmental Science series, Environment and Biodiversity number 8. Here we discuss the threats to biodiversity. There are several threats that makes the extent of biodiversity, the loss of biodiversity. The number one is habitat loss. Habitat loss from exploitation of the resources, agricultural conversion, and the urbanization. These things is the largest factor contributing to the loss of biodiversity. Loss of biodiversity. Climate change. In climate change, the common usage, climate change describes global warming, the ongoing increase in global average temperature, and its effects on Earth's climate system. Climate change, in a broader sense, also include previous long-term changes to the Earth climate. Pollution. Whether the pollution is in the water, air, or land, any form, that is a threat to biodiversity. Plastic pollutants have gone deep into the ocean and have been found at the microscopic level, even on the Mount Everest that is made by the human inefficiency. Another threat is due to the over-exploitation of natural resources. Activities such as Activities such as hunting, there is targeted hunting of certain things, fishing, overfishing, gathering of animal plant sources is a great threat to biodiversity. The loss of large population of animals or plants in short amount of time can cause a rippling effect on the other wildlife in that region. Overexploitation of a non-renewable sources will affect daily human life, human activity and population. The population of human has had a significant impact on the biodiversity. About 200 years ago, less than 1 billion people were living on the earth. Now it reached around 8 billion people. It causes more over 2050. And another important threat to biodiversity is an illegal wildlife trade. There is wildlife trade. Countless species are at the risk of extinct because of poachers. Beloved animals like African elephants, horse-billed turtle, Amur leopard, and a black rhinoceros are hunted constantly and sold illegally internationally. In 2023, there was a numerous wins, including increased productions for hippos and expanded technologies for tracking at the risk species. So these things continuously damages the biodiversity. So to preserve biodiversity, a support to the local farmers is an important one to keep money circulating in the local economy and help farmers to conserve biodiversity. Another important aspect is to plant a native plants in the garden or in our farmyard. Respect local habitats wherever you go, whether it is your own community or across the globe. Purchase ethical and sustainable items and try to reduce, reuse, and recycle as much as possible. Speak out about the biodiversity and teach others how they can preserve it. Take part in habit restoration projects in your community. And these are some suggestions to preserve the biodiversity. But the only thing to preserve biodiversity is humans should feel without the environment we can't live. So to conclude, the threats to biodiversity includes habitat loss, climate change, pollution, overexploitation, human activities, and wildlife trade. Thank you.